Hello everyone, today I have my fall FabFitFun Box. Get my pocket knife and get it open. Open it up and it comes like this, and my light just went out, so oh well. Instead of squigglies, they have this, and here is the little pamphlet that says what is in here and all that. And then of course the HelloFresh $3 off. Then and this is $15 off your first FabFitFun Box, and this is the code if anyone wants to utilize that. So the first thing I am pulling out is the Laundress New York Crease Release. It removes wrinkles. I was hoping I'd get what they had instead of this, because I just don't care if my clothes are wrinkly. Like, really could care less. And so the first thing that you could have gotten, okay, well, first off, this is $16, and it's easily remove moderate wrinkles from clothing and fabrics with this spray, especially when ironing isn't an option. And then the other option was the Vosh, I don't know, New York Pedicure in a Box Duo, and it's pumpkin spice, and that was $20. And then the third thing that you could have gotten instead of the crease release would have been the Spongel boxed flower in sweet cedarwood, and that's $16. So the next thing I'm pulling out is something that I picked. It's the Harper and Airy exfoliating sugar cubes, and that's what they look like. Now, there is a cat, specifically Bagheera, and he might get into stuff again. It doesn't show all the products that you could have gotten in here. At least that's all the information that they give me on these. So, I don't know how much these are. And then the next thing I'm pulling out is from the Beauty Crap. And it's Glow Milk nourished with coconut and argan oil. Cute little packaging. And this retails for $19.50. And this is what it looks like. Probably not going to keep that, though. It's really bugging me that it doesn't have all the information here. Like, extremely so. Then there's the Haith Tranquility Sleep Mist. That's what it looks like. And this retails for $22. It's formulated with witch hazel, lavender oil, and rice water. This mist creates a tranquil sleep environment. So let's open this. And this is what it looks like. It smells good. And Next thing I'm pulling out is another option that I chose, and it's the Beauty Bakery. Proof is in the Pudding Eyeshadow Palette. Here are the colors. This was in a past box from FabFitFun before, but I didn't get that box, so I got it this time. And little Grimmy came here to say hello. Actually, he just wants to get into things, but I made him say hello anyways. Then the next thing I'm pulling out here is something that I also picked, and it's the Mason Tops Hydration Mason jar bottle. And this is what it looks like. Has this sleeve, and it's has measurements there also. Very nice. It's the lid. Now, I added some things on also. Well, not from the add-ons, but I did get add-ons. I got some mystery boxes. And I also couldn't decide between some of them, or I just wanted to try something else from that category also. So I think there's in separate boxes though. And then the next thing I am pulling out is the hammered copper canister set from Uncommon James. Now, I really was excited for these because I cook a lot and just, yeah. Unfortunately, the kitchen is very messy right now since we're going to be moving at some point. So everything's packed up. So yeah, not going to be using these yet, but this is what it looks like. It's two of them. The other one is inside. And what I'm going to do is probably use one of these for sugar and the other for, I don't know. But that's what they look on the inside. This is the size comparison. This is my head. I will look up how much these retail for, and put them on the screen since they didn't give me it on this catalog. And then the last thing here is I picked an infinity scarf by Beyond Yoga, and it has a pocket in it, which is the main reason why I chose it. One, because I don't actually have any scarves, and two, because it has a pocket. I was very intrigued and figured that that would be really useful. And then for $15, I added on the Bot Care little backpack. I think this was like retails for like $100 or something like that. I definitely not pay $100 for this. I probably wouldn't even pay $50 for it, to be honest, but I'm not really into purses and bags and all that, so that's another thing to account for my opinion. But it has a pocket on the inside, two pockets here. They don't go very deep, and then they have adjustable fans. But I got this to put mainly like my phone or bottles of water, when we go hiking. I know this is a fancy little backpack, but it's nice and small. It was $15, and it'll fit water bottles, so there we go. I don't like taking the big bulky backpacks with me because it's just a hindrance when trying to hike. And then let's see if I can find what I added on. And okay, here it is. So what I added on was the Feel Renewed Pumpkin Walnut Facial Cleanser. And I just kind of wanted to try it. It has a safety seal, so I'm not going to open that, but I am very curious as to how that smells. But anyways, that's all that I got in my fall 2020 FabFitFun Box. So again, I added on the Bot Care backpack and the exfoliator, and then I picked the infinity scarf with the pocket, the mason jar, the sugar scrub cubes, and the canisters, and then and the eyeshadow palette. And what FabFitFun picked for me was the Height Tranquility Sleep Mist, the Beauty Crap highlighter thing, and the crease release. Hello guys, I just came back on here to tell you how much the total was for my FabFitFun box. This isn't including the backpack or the walnut cleanser that I got as added on extras. But anyways, the total value of my box came to $219.45. So that's all I have for you guys today. Hope y'all have a great day. Bye.